Today I'm trying some chocolate as a light snack. A whole chocolate cake. Let's try it with some milk. Loaded with creamy chocolate, which was my nickname in high school. Mini chocolate cupcakes. So cute. Molten chocolate Pop-Tarts. Never had these before and they're kind of dry. Dip it in some milk. I love creamy chocolate. Oreos, obviously in the milk. If you don't love Oreos, you're a weirdo. What happened to my cupcake? Chocolate cake pops. What the hell is that? That's not cake. I got it from the Walmart bakery. Cosmic brownies. Did they always have that line in the middle? I don't remember them having that line. Oh, I think that one slice messed me up.
Nashville hot chicken crispers. Texas cheese fries. Loaded white cheddar mac and cheese.
We got that motherfucking Arby's. Heard they got the new Cooper Sharp cheesesteak. You already know I had to check that shit out. How you doing? Shit actually looking bodacious. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Yo, low-key, what the fuck? Oh, shit. This is actually better than a lot of cheesesteaks I've had coming out of pizzerias and shit. Cheesy, creamy as hell from the Cooper Sharp. That thing good. We got that French dip. See, I'm a really simple man. I like good-ass food at high-end restaurants. I also like a good fucking French dip from Arby's. I mean, it's just pretty good. My first time trying Arby's mac and cheese. Didn't get a spoon, so the lid will have to do. Honestly, I'm rocking with it. I actually like white cheddar a little bit better than just a regular cheddar mac and cheese. All right, that shit pretty good. Potato cakes in that Bronco sauce. Now, those things undeniably hit. Bronco sauce with the curly fry. Sublime got that song, Dreaming of Californication. I'm dreaming of having fornication with the fry. Got that Reuben. I'm still trying to figure out who they named the shit after. Who is Reuben? I'm about to ask my boy Davon. Davon took me at the drive-thru. I was about to walk out. He said, I know your ass. He said, let me get a picture. I said, bro, let's fucking do it. He said, make me famous. Davon, here you go. Here you are. Nothing at this Arby's gets past my boy Davon. This is the best Reuben I've had from Arby's. But I'll tell you what we gonna do to make it a little bit better. Need the potato cake on top with the horsey sauce. Try this, asshole. Okay, that's fucking gas. The chicken cordon bleu John never had it. The fuck? I mean, hey, it's crispy chicken with ham and Swiss. This definitely needs some of that Bronco sauce. Jalapeno poppers with the mac and cheese. This dead ass the hardest hitting Arby's I've ever had. Oh, yeah, it's just freaking delicious, dude. Eat that with the potato cake. All right, I'm about to get freaky. Cordon bleu with the mac and cheese. Some of the fry. Bronco sauce. If you get Arby's next time, try this. If you don't like it after this, I don't know what the hell to tell you. Yeah, sucks.
In-N-Out mukbang. I got a double. I got the patties mustard fried this time, which I've never tried before. Whole grilled onion on it. And then animal styles per usual. Light pink lemonade. Oh my gosh. I'm leaving for Spain on Wednesday. I booked this trip so last minute. Literally like 2 days ago. That honestly is just how I am though. I am like so type B. I don't normally plan anything. I honestly don't even know where I'm going. I haven't planned all of my stops yet, but Barcelona for sure. I've been to Spain once, and that was to Mallorca, which was with an ex and was the worst trip of my life. I do kind of want to go back there because it was so beautiful, and I ended up leaving early because we broke up. Let's try the mustard fried burger. I don't know if I can tell a difference with the patties. I just ate some of the paper. I always do that. I went home last week, which I haven't been home since Thanksgiving. To be honest, I don't really like going home. Obviously, I love seeing my family. I just don't like Virginia. This is like amazing.
Wingstop mukbang, new tahini. New tahini ranch. This is delicious. Wingstop, you better keep this ranch. Diet Coke.
We got a homemade seafood bowl from Limon. Look at that. First bite for you. Look at that. Look at these mussels. Limon. Cheers. Lobster claw. Potato. Shrimp. Excuse me. Look at that, y'all. Y'all, 9 times out of 10, the imitation crab tastes better than the real crab. Look at that. Sausage. Egg.
Today we have some sushi. It's been a minute. Let's dig in. An amazing roll, seaweed salad, of course, and tuna and salmon sushi. So good. Seaweed salad is so good. Let's go in for a salmon sushi. Oh my gosh. Tuna. Their tuna is always so good. Then this is the amazing roll. It comes with shrimp tempura, spicy tuna. It normally comes with avocado, but I don't like avocado, so I substitute cream cheese. I think crab on top, and it's wrapped in a soy paper instead of seaweed. Oh my gosh. I remember loving this last time I had it. Wow. There's not much better than some really good sushi. Last bite. Cheers. This is the first real sushi meal I've had since giving birth, and I think this might have just kickstarted a craving that has been dormant for 9 months.
This burrito's from the taco stand. It is so good. It looks small, but the flavor in this is just like melty goodness. Been eating this burrito with the dressing room, and guess what? They go so well together. Ah! Let's get a little bite of these fries. I did put the dressing room sauce on here as well. This sauce goes so well with the taco stand. Some sauce on there. Big bite of the fries. I'm getting full.
Full tendencies.
Which is surprising because this is a small burrito for me.
That's 3 bites right there. Maybe 2.
Just one more bite of the fries. Everything here is so good. I need to try their tacos next time, but every time I do tacos, you guys don't like it. The meat here is the best.
Y'all, I got some Dave's hot chicken today. Fried chicken sandwich, extra hot. I got the X-Men collab meal for the new season they're putting out. I'm so excited for that, by the way. And I got Cyclops. I wish they had Gambit because Gambit's my favorite character, but that's okay. Mozzarella stick. Hot honey. I completely missed. No cheese pool. Let's look at their slider. And a water because I ran out of Diet Coke and I didn't pick up any more because I assumed these would come with a Diet Coke. What kind of combo doesn't come with a drink? Reaper Ranch. Some Dave sauce. Hot honey. The mozzarella sticks were better than I remember last time.
Most perfect king crab. Oh my God. Girl, I could genuinely cry right now. We're not gonna talk much today, y'all. Let's just grub. Look at that. Dip it in the sauce. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. We also got some ginormous lobster tail. Look at that lobster. Would you really eat seafood boil if your makeup didn't mess up? So far, I'm in heaven. I don't want to tell you how much this plate was, y'all, but let's just say I'm appreciating every bite. Let's try their shrimp. Y'all know I like it with the skin still on. Let's try their corn. Very sweet. Definitely gonna have to try more of this king crab. The most perfect king crab. Oh my gosh. Guys, it doesn't get much better than that, honestly. Tato, look at that nugget of meat. Sausage. Mmm. This platter speaks for itself.